Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 110RL, a fun, lightweight, and reliable dirt bike that's perfect for beginners and younger riders looking to improve their off-road skills. Whether you're getting into motocross, trail riding, or just want a dependable pit bike, the KLX 110RL is an excellent choice. Stick around as we go over its design, performance, features, pricing, and why it stands out in the small dirt bike segment. Let's start with the design. The 2025 KLX 110RL carries Kawasaki's signature motocross styling, inspired by the brand's bigger KX models. It features a compact and rugged frame, aggressive bodywork, and a high front fender that gives it a sporty and race-ready look. The bike is available in Kawasaki's iconic lime green color with bold graphics that make it instantly recognizable. Despite being a small off-road machine, it looks every bit like a serious dirt bike. Now, let's talk about performance. The KLX 110RL is powered by a 112 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine, producing 7.3 horsepower and 8 Nm of torque. It's designed for smooth and predictable power delivery, making it easy for new riders to control while still being fun for experienced ones. The engine is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission with a clutch, allowing riders to get comfortable with shifting gears, which is great for those looking to transition to bigger bikes in the future. One of the key differences between the KLX 110R and KLX 110RL is the suspension and seat height. The KLX 110RL has a taller seat height of 28.7 inches, making it a better fit for slightly older or taller riders. It features long travel suspension with 30 mm telescopic forks at the front and a rear monoshock, ensuring a smooth ride over rough terrain. The bike's high ground clearance and sturdy steel frame make it durable enough to handle jumps, bumps, and technical trails with ease. Handling and control are where the 2025 KLX 110RL really shines. It's lightweight at just 167 pounds, 76 kilograms, making it easy to maneuver for younger riders. The wide handlebars and responsive chassis provide excellent control, allowing riders to confidently tackle off-road trails. The rear drum brake and front disc brake setup delivers reliable stopping power, while the knobby off-road tires ensure maximum grip on dirt, sand, and mud. In terms of features, Kawasaki keeps it simple yet effective. The kickstart and electric start options make it easy to get the bike going, whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider. The fuel-efficient engine means you can spend more time riding and less time refueling, which is perfect for long trail rides. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Kawasaki KLX 110RL is expected to start at around $3,000, making it an affordable and fun dirt bike for beginners and young riders. The standard KLX 110R, which has a lower seat height, is slightly cheaper at around $2,800. Compared to other entry-level dirt bikes, the KLX 110RL offers a great balance of reliability, performance, and ease of use. So, who is the KLX 110RL for? It's a fantastic bike for kids, teenagers, and even smaller adults who want a lightweight and easy-to-handle dirt bike for off-road fun. Whether you're learning to ride or just need a dependable pit bike, this Kawasaki model delivers on all fronts. What do you think about the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 110RL? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.